Apple's done it again. Massive leaks are out, and the upcoming Apple M5 Mac Mini might just redefine what a compact desktop can do. We're talking next-gen power, AI intelligence, and a 2-nanometer chip that's already breaking benchmark records. But that's not all. The release date, price, and crazy new design details have finally leaked, and trust me, you'll want to hear this. So if you've been waiting to upgrade your setup or are just curious about Apple's next move in desktop computing, grab your coffee, because this is going to be the most complete M5 Mac Mini breakdown you've seen yet. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, so you don't miss the latest updates on Apple's upcoming launches. Alright, let's get started with what makes the M5 Mac Mini the most talked about Apple leak of 2025, beginning with how it's evolved from the M1 all the way to this next-level AI-powered beast. For years, Apple's Mac Mini has been the go-to compact powerhouse for creators, developers, and professionals who crave performance in a minimalist form. But with the latest leaks surrounding the Apple M5 Mac Mini, it seems like Apple is gearing up for one of its biggest desktop transformations yet. According to fresh insider reports and trusted industry analysts, the M5-powered Mac Mini is not just a simple refresh. It could mark a major leap in performance, design, and AI-driven computing. If you've been waiting to upgrade your workstation or are curious about Apple's desktop strategy, this might just be the most exciting leak of 2025. Let's break down everything we know, from the release date, specs, and performance leaks, to AI integration, price expectations, and how it compares to both the M3 and M4 Mac Mini models. Trust me, this is going to be the most complete deep dive into Apple's next-generation desktop yet. To understand how far the M5 Mac Mini could go, we need to look back at the Mac Mini's recent history. When Apple first introduced the M1 Mac Mini in late 2020, it revolutionized what a small desktop computer could do. It was fast, efficient, and completely silent. The M2 and M2 Pro models refined that power with better multi-core performance and stronger GPU capabilities. But after the M3 generation, many noticed that Apple seemed to slow down updates for the Mac Mini line. Meanwhile, the MacBook Pro and iMac were getting attention with newer chips like the M4. That's why the M5 Mac Mini leaks have become such a big deal. It's Apple's chance to show that the smallest Mac can still compete with the biggest. The heart of the new Mac Mini will, of course, be the Apple M5 chip, a next-generation SoC built on TSMC's advanced 2-nanometer process. This shift alone could bring up to a 35 to 40% improvement in power efficiency and as much as a 45% performance boost compared to the M3 chip. But the biggest talking point isn't just raw speed, it's AI acceleration. The M5 is rumored to feature Apple's most advanced neural engine yet, capable of 50 trillion operations per second. This makes it tailor-made for AI workflows, machine learning, and real-time data processing. In simple terms, the M5 Mac Mini will be smarter, faster, and more future-ready than any compact desktop before it. This new chip will reportedly combine up to 12 CPU cores, 18 GPU cores, and an enhanced neural engine optimized for Apple's new on-device AI assistant in macOS Sequoia. This means smoother automation, real-time voice processing, faster photo and video rendering, and even AI